Hey, let me start today. This is my friend. We just like try to fix the carpet. It's the old one, and that's the new one that we had to put in there in the room. Okay, this is Toyota Celica GTS. Toyota Celica GTS 2, CRX, Integra. Let me take a look at my Integra. Yeah, it look nice. Got some nice ass rims. Haven't washed yet. That's why. All red. Yep. We got DC2 from Conversions. Look beautiful. Got carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber lid. There you go. That's a CRX SIR. See it? The carbon look really clean. The roof is clean too. You got the spoiler right here too, but take it out. No more spoiler. Yep. Check out the license plate too. Let's go look under. Got Titans for colors. All in the back front. And then let's take a look inside. You got Type R dash. Lighting like 8.5. Max is 180. Got Acura R6 Type S steering wheel. Got Skunk 2 shim knob and Skunk 2 short shifter. Yep, everything else is all clean. Julian as fuck. You got LED light. Good take inside. Clean, man. Yep, rotor brake. Julian. Team bracket. Alright, that's it.